Alright, got our soda ash in there, got our shirt and our sheet set dropped in there, so we're just gonna stir it all up now and let it sit for about 15 minutes. And then we can commence to tying and a-dyeing.
No, I just know the clock is
I got
ticking.
another shirt here.
Sleeping baby.
Twisting up. First one at the new spot. What's this one gonna be again?
For Patrick.
Oh yeah, that's right. So Patrick wanted a bubble gum with black, orange, and lavender. And that's all he really said, but he definitely wants a spiral pattern, so we got him a nice good tight spiral. And then I guess we're just gonna play around a little bit and see what we can't make. Well, we got like a third of our tie-dye stuff over here already, so as you can see, we're running pretty streamlined show today. But that's okay. We're gonna dye up this shirt and a sheet set, I believe, for
Just a crib sheet.
a crib sheet, sorry, a fitted crib sheet. So we're gonna dye it up as well. But yeah, alrighty, come on for the ride. Band it up. It'll be alright. So this is what we got. This is what we're working with, folks. Limited tie-dyeing resources today, like I said. We're gonna get it done. We are gonna get it did. Mr. Patrick wants a pastel with black. And he specifically said that he wants orange, an orange sorbet, and good old lavender and bubblegum. Those were his main requests, so we will oblige. If you want a custom t-shirt, hit us up at the email in the description or on Etsy. We'll make you whatever you want, and you get to see it being made before it ever gets there. Oh no, die down, die down. Look at that orange, man. That thing pops. I'm here to tell you, that orange is a standout. That shirt that you've got that we dyed with that orange, oh yeah. That's like good old prison orange there, man. It's very, very orange, I'll put it that way. So, first thoughts on the new location, babes?
I love it.
She says she likes our new location. Her new location. I hope so. Yeah, new location. We now once again have concrete to stand on while doing this, which is nice, especially for the rainy days. Got a little area we can tie-dye in out here that Babes wants to convert to a garden, but that's also cool. Then we've got our area in there for drying and washing. I made a nice custom hose adapter. We're set up. Got some marble chips down. Got a nice custom gate that I built. We're ready to roll over here, man. We are tie-dye ready. I'm going to pick up the last of our tie-dye stuff from our previous spot here in just a minute when we get done dyeing these. We got a brand new washer and dryer.
With all sorts of fancy settings.
Yeah, man, we've really stepped it up. So, hope y'all are happy. Hope you like our new tie-dyes. We're about to go hog wild with the tie-dyes.
We had to take a couple weeks off to move.
Yeah. There's only been about a 3-day break in content though, because we had filmed up a whole lot right before we left, so I've been slowly releasing. But this is the first time we've tie-dyed in at least 2 weeks, I'd say.
A long time.
Yeah, a long time for us. We usually do this multiple times a week, so. But that's okay. We're now kind of somewhat settled in. Not really, but.
Settled enough to tie-dye.
Yeah, settled enough we can get back to business. That's gonna be a beautiful shirt, babes. Don't you think?
Yeah, I've got to take a shower after this.
Yeah, it's very hot, very humid out here, and we've been working like all day. Both of us. I got up and cut grass this morning. Not here, but at the babes' aunt's house. So I cut her grass for her. Fill it out with the black. Yeah. Oh man, look at that. That is nice. Nice. We do the flip. We do the tie-dye flip. The tie-dye flip. The babes is happy she can still tie-dye barefoot, which is very important to her. The fluff cat's also very happy. She's got a whole new building to explore. She doesn't do outside. She doesn't really do ground level stuff, period. Otherwise she'd be out here with us, but Whoopi Cody doesn't do ground level. Just wait till you see the washout rig we've got going on. There's no hose bib anywhere on the entire building the whole way around. There's one in the ground like 100 feet from here, so we had to come up with a better solution than that, because it's technically in not even our neighbor's yard. It's like 2 yards down. So we needed our own solution. Coming together nicely, babes. The only thing about this location is there's a lot of noise in the background. I'm sure y'all can hear.
We're right next to a highway.
Yeah, we're right off the main highway. We're gonna start possibly doing our tie-dyes like inside the fence where it's quieter, and of course we're gonna do our washing you know, where it's a little quieter, but I don't know. Let us know what you think of the audio and whether or not you can hear both of us clearly. I don't think it'll be too bad. What do you think?
I don't think so.
As long as we speak up and speak clearly, we'll be alright. make sure and stay tuned, y'all. We're about to do some crib sheet next, so stay tuned for that one. Thank you to all that have recently subscribed. We're trying to get to that good old 1,000. Thank you for all those helping us along. And as always, you know, drop a comment below. We will respond, as long as it's relevant. All dyed up. There's Patrick's new shirt. Well, alrighty, folks. First tie-dye at our new spot. Everybody, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Alrighty, y'all.